Alright guys, I'm back. Well, today was chop day. I did it. Chopped that mess off of there. Got a brace right in the middle. Got it nice and leveled up. I plumb bobbed down the frames. And made two side lines, snapped them out. Got a center line. Getting kind of faded, but it's still there. Got an outside line. Put the level on it for my marks. Nice and level. So that's good. Now I just got to get them frame horns in there. And there's a pile of goodies that came out. I just took the torch and cut the springs up. Let them pop. Stood off to the side, but a little sketchy, but not too bad. There's a subframe. Might use some of that metal off the subframe. I don't know. Stuff to go with the dump. Couldn't find my plumb bob when I started to cut that and make the marks in the ground. So if you guys ever need to make a plumb bob, I just built one with a big bolt. Sharpened it up on the grinder, put it in the end of my drill and spun it. Welded a nut to it. Drilled a hole in it. Instant plumb bob. Cheaper than the hardware store and probably better. You can scratch the concrete with it if you want. Alright, well I'm going to get back at it. Try to get them frame horns in there. Got to use the old Lincoln stick welder. I don't have no fancy wire feed. It's got a little 110 Harbor Freight wire feed I use for sheet metal. Works pretty good. Gets a lot of splatter, but not too bad. Alright guys, I'll work on them frame rails. I'll be back. Alright guys, this is what I got so far. Got the frame rails mocked up in there. Drilled some holes for some plug welds. I put a piece of 1/4-inch steel, welded it onto the frame rail. The frame rail is going 4 inches. I pie cut this top, smash the top down. Same on this side. Some nice plug welds to do, 5 plug welds. Notch that. See over here my lines, so I'll pie cut this top out. I think I'm gonna cut this line here and then up, and then I'll fold this part in. That's recessed there, so it won't fold in, so I'll cut that out and I'll fold this in, and then I'll weld it there. I think I get a good plug weld here. Once I fold it in, I'll cut the bottom. See, I got a mark here and a mark here on the bottom. I'll pie cut that, fold that in. Same on the other side. Pie cut this out, fold this piece in there, and I gotta get a good plug weld here, and I'll get a good plug weld there, and then I'll clamp this top down so it's touching real good, and yeah, weld that. So I'm getting somewhere. It's looking better. Alright, let me get back on it. Alright guys, I'm back. Well, I got it nice and square, nice and level. Got me a brace on there to keep her nice and square. Got it tacked on there, got the pie cuts made. A little more beating on it, and I'll get it finished welded up. Get them plug welds done. Well, it's getting pretty late. It's about 10:30, and it's almost time for bed. I think this is enough time for a video anyway. So I'll put this video out, let you guys check it out, see what you think. Yeah. Alright guys, be safe. Thanks.